Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Freedom and truth, love and responsibility. In every era and especially in times of rapid changes, there is a need to reflect on the deep meaning of freedom in relation to everyone's life. Freedom is not the end, but the tool to achieve the good of ourselves and others, a closely interconnected good. Message for the 43rd National Day for the Life of CA. Being generative communities of life in the heart of contemporaneity, CG 24th FMA Institute. Like in Valdoko and Mornis, the educating communities are called to create the environment of values in which freedom, trust, love, joy and where you feel dragged to good for the strength of love. The Day for Life is the opportunity to raise awareness of the value of authentic freedom in the service of life by making the church appeal. Respect, defend, love and serve life, every human life. Brotherhood induces us to open ourselves to the Father of all and to see another brother, sister, to share life, to support each other, to love, to know. The day is aimed at promoting the culture of meeting, fraternity, solidarity, respect and mutual understanding. It's a call for all humanity to build a peaceful present in meeting with each other. One day, a boy asked a question in the church's yard. "Tell me, what is the most beautiful thing you have seen in your life?" The guy replied, "Don Bosco." Don Bosco is the most beautiful thing we've known, and he is the reason we're daughters of Mary. Don Bosco is beauty of humanity, art of educating, heart passionate for life, communicator of hope, real joy, deep listening. Through Don Bosco's gaze and heart, young people discover that they are God's friend, chosen by Him to fulfill their dreams. Let's love it and imitate it with our creativity and educational passion. Rector Major Don Angel Fernandez Artime writes to young people, "My dear young people, our heart is made for joy and to live with hope. You young people who are God's now, look to the future and have dreams. Your desire for happiness, friendship and love is strong. You like to share, have ideals and draw projects. This is all part of youth. Dear young people, God loves you and loves you deeply. Young people loved by God anywhere in the world, whatever your religion, to open your heart to God. Discover that God is a presence in your life, that He is faithful and will never abandon you. I ask you to become and be missionaries of joy because you are disciples, missionaries of Jesus. Contaminate others with joy and with the hope that comes from faith. Be missionaries for other young people. May you be happy here and in eternity," as Don Bosco said. The School Institute of Villa Sora Frascati has organized two important meetings for high school kids of their own institute. The first, February 10th, with Maria Ballerint, historian. The second, February 26th, with envoy Rai Claudio Pagliara, correspondent in charge of the New York office for radio and television journalism services from the United States. Today, 8 February, the 7th World Day of Prayer and Reflection Against Human Trafficking is celebrated. The chosen date is the one in which the liturgical memory of Saint Josephine Bakita occurs. The Sudanese nun who was enslaved at the age of 9 and then freed, becoming one of the most important symbols of redemption. On this day, Pope Francis will also take part in the World Online Prayer. At the Angelus, Pope Francis returned to greet the faithful in St. Peter's Square from the window of his study after a month of live streaming from inside the library of the Apostolic Palace. In the square once again, his greeting to the faithful who reciprocated with a long and affectionate applause. A video made by Piccoli Passi Grande Socony apps on the occasion of the National Day Against Bullying and Cyberbullying, celebrated on the 7th February 2021, an opportunity to reflect and raise awareness among young people. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.